Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get animated wallpaper for Windows 11. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC or laptop, click onto your Microsoft Store, and then once that is loaded, type in Lively, and then your first result, Lively Wallpaper, go ahead and click onto that. And then from here, click on to Get, and give that a few moments to download and install. I'll just pause the video here and come back once that is done. Alright guys, this has completed the download, so now I'm going to open. Alright, once it's open, you've got a range of these wallpapers to use. So if you want to use any one of these, click on the three dot bars and then click on Set as Wallpaper. Give it a few moments to set as your wallpaper. And there you go there, my wallpaper has been changed. Looks pretty cool. And if you want to add a wallpaper, click on Add Wallpaper. Simply drag and drop the file into there, or you can enter a URL, set the web page of the URL you entered as wallpaper, and all that good stuff there. So yeah, it's simple as that. Just click on the three dots, click on Set as Wallpaper, and there you go. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.